But I'm gonna kind of move quicker in this Hayden. Hayden is one of my favorite floor plans from any builder. Probably one of my favorites from D.R. Horton, especially with a two-story floor plan, I should say. So let's go in and check it out. Okay, so when you first walk in, oh, there's a little fly, a little gnat. Okay, back to the house. So when you first walk in, you can see I'm standing off in the corner. You got this nice room over here to the left, which I guess it could be a flex room because you could very easily call somebody in the future and close this off and put a door, you know, potentially turn that into a bedroom if you needed it. Good sized kitchen as well, with a pantry that you walk in, a little bit deeper than other pantries. Now the Hayden, as you can see, there's no lanai. There's no covered patio. That's it. You got this little piece of cement and that's it. So, you know, you'd have to you'd have to work on that after you move in, if that's even important to you. And it's not, you know, to some people. Some people don't care about it. I do happen to like it. I think it's pretty important part of a Florida house, having a covered patio. Okay, so you got this bedroom. Got this bedroom on the first floor, which is a big reason why I do like this model. You know, having that bedroom, but you know, it doesn't have to be a bedroom at first, but in the future, if you do want to age with your house, then you know, you do want to consider it. It's important. Storage on the stairs, and let's see, here's your garage, and your garage has a lot of extra space. I'll do the foot test. There's a foot. So you got a lot of extra space on each side, and what's nice is that your hot water heater is in the garage, taking advantage of the Florida heat. And it's nice too, because if it does leak, it's going to leak in the garage, not going to like leak on the second floor of the house or something like that, or inside the house. And then there's this full bathroom. I don't know if I passed it up. I may have. Full bathroom. Now let's go up to the second floor. So I'm just going to continue to the right over here. At the top of the stairs is your master bedroom. Walk off into the corner. You can see how much floor space there is. This is a really big closet. So you can kind of see, I hope you can kind of see where I'm standing. There's this little cove section over here, which you could kind of use for towels too. I don't think this has a towel closet, if I remember right. But then the rest of it, you know, could be for clothes. So a nice big closet, and I'm gonna keep this viewpoint as we walk this bathroom. Got your shower behind me, and then there's this closet as well, which is nice. Hope you can see. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. So you've got your two shelves on each side, and this is nice because if like you don't have to hang clothes, you could put shelves here or just turn this into like a storage and stack boxes and things. So, you know, I think that that's kind of nice. In addition, of course, you got your standard two sinks and all that stuff. Here you have a large bedroom as well. There's your closet. Another large bedroom. Does this have a little step-in closet? I don't remember. No, it doesn't. But it's decently long in relation to the wall. Shared bathroom. There's your toilet, and your shower and all that stuff. HVAC room, in addition to storage. Definitely store some stuff in there, and here's a whole closet with some good space behind the wall being utilized. And another large bedroom. With a closet that takes up, or should I say utilizes, a good amount of the space in the back of the wall. Okay, so who's this house for? Well, it has a pretty interesting setup, and I think that this is a great house for somebody that wants to age with their house, first and foremost, because it does have a bedroom on the first floor. As you know, I just came out of the bedroom over there, so that's one. We got another bedroom over here, that's two. And then we have this bedroom here, and the master bedroom. So there's 4 bedrooms on this floor. Now, if for some reason this wasn't needed as a loft or whatever, and you did call in some kind of contractor to close up this wall, you probably could do that. And you could probably turn it into another bedroom pretty easily. So, but the way the house is built, you got 5 bedrooms. So, you know, when you have 5 bedrooms, you could very easily sleep 5 people. And then if the master bedroom has another person sleeping in there, then you got 6 people. If somebody else is sharing another bedroom, then you got 7. So I think that, you know, 7 people in this house wouldn't be an issue based on the layout and the square footage. Because again, you know, this could also be used for something else as well. So if you're interested in a home over here or anyplace else, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. In the state of Florida, of course, I should say, not exactly anywhere else. And I appreciate everyone watching. Thank you. It's a hot day. I'm glad the sun went in.